so welcome back to part 2 of this video of me showing my Montessori ways. So, we've already introduced you to the checkerboard and shown you the first part of this video. Now let's move on to part 2. I'll show you how we use checkerboard for multiplication, also known as times. See you there!
So the number tiles are what we're going to use to show the numbers that we're actually going to be multiplying, okay? So here's what it looks like. I'll do the first one, okay? So the first equation, you're going to need to write it on your paper.
Hey, where'd my pencil go?
It is 1,323. 1,000. Has to be in the thousands place. $323 times 3. Where does the times go? Okay, and your equal sign. Okay. So, I've got 1,000 sometimes the hardest part is finding the tiles. Oh, there's a 3. 300
Does this always happen?
Mm-hmm.
I think it's under that 9.
20. How many units do I need?
3.
3.
It's like these tiles are impossible.
Well, they're not impossible, but it definitely forces you to slow down and breathe and take your time and be very deliberate and intentional about your numbers. Is this it? As you're composing it. So we've got 1,323 times 3. So I need
a 3.
Gray 3. So the gray tiles are to represent our multiplier. That means how many times we're taking it. And the white tiles are our multiplicand, which is the quantity that we're taking 3 times. Okay? All right. And then we're going to use this to help keep track of where we are in our multiplication. So it goes under here and it tells you that you're taking this quantity 3 times. So what's 3 times?
9.
9. So we need a 9. Nope. We're going to use the materials first. So put a 9 here. Okay, then move the bead over. And what is 2 3 times?
2 3 times is 6, so that would be 60.
Move the tile.
Move it. That would be 9 again.
And
that would be 3. So my answer is 3,969.
okay, record that. Don't forget the comma in your answer. Okay, clear the board, and I'll let you do the next one. Did you change your tiles?
My tiles, I completely forgot. Okay, so and I'm gonna need a 2.
There it is. And how many times are you taking this?
6. So I'm gonna choose right.
Because units, we're multiplying by units.
9.
The 9 and the 6 are pretty interchangeable.
So you can just like use it as 9 for 6 or 9 or 6 for 9. That's crazy but fun.
Is your equation on your paper?
You're gonna write it. Okay, so 1 6 times would be 6.
But where are the beads?
The beads are 6.
This one's a little trickier. Not quite. What about, let's try this. Let's try 6 2 times.
12.
12. Okay, wait. How do we make the number 12? Oh, you've got it. No, keep going. You're doing great. Okay, wait. The number 12 is 2 digits, right? So you have the 2. What other number do you need? Oh, there it is. Okay. What are you going to do with the 1?
I would put it here, but
Where?
in the hundreds.
Why would you put it there? No, just tell me more about that.
I would just put it there because it's the next open space available.
Okay, let's try it. Okay, move your bead. 1 6 times.
Is 6. So,
Move your bead.
okay, 2 6 times is 12 again. What is wrong with you? 12.
Okay, there's one more thing we'll have to go back. You can put that there.
Okay.
There's one more thing we're going to have to go back to do, and we've got to go back to the hundreds, and we've got to simplify it, because how many numbers can you have in one square? 1. So what's 1 plus 6?
7.
Let's exchange those then for a 7. Okay, so I love that you did that intuitively, but I want to make sure that we talk about the fact that the reason we had to put the 1 here after we put the 2 down is not because this was an open square, it's because we're regrouping. We regroup in multiplication just like we do in addition. So if you had 6 plus 6 and you were adding them, what would you put down and what would you carry or regroup?
I would take down the 2 and put the 1 on. Oh!
That's exactly what you did. No, you're fine. The 2 was that because this 2 was the answer when we multiplied 2 times 6. So we put the 2 down and we carried the 1 and then we added it to the 6 that was in the square when we multiplied 1 times 6. Okay, will you read this?
The right count.
That's part of your answer.
12,726.
That's your answer. Oh, don't pick it up till you record it on your paper.
I wouldn't remember it.
Start with your units. It's just a good habit. Start with your units.
Can I start here?
Start with your units. Because when you do it abstractly, you'll start with the units. We always start with the units. Okay, third equation.
Wow, that looks so easy.
Oh, what's the answer then?
2, 3.
Okay, put it on your paper and then tell me what the answer is. Let's try that. It might be easier to actually write it on your paper.
2. I already know the answer now.
Okay, we'll record it then. Don't forget your equal sign, and don't forget to start with your units. Always start with your units.
Okay. Angry. 666.
That's it. You don't even need to use the checkerboard to do it.
I know, it's so easy.
If you already know it, then you don't need to use the checkerboard. Okay?
Thank you, Miss Proctor, for letting us interview you. And thank you for showing us an example of a Montessori lesson. Hi guys, that was the end of the video. I hope you liked how we do Montessori checkerboard. And that's pretty much it. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. I'll see you next time.